the painting that I've chosen is the Spoliarium. So this type of painting is an example of an oil on canvas with the style of romanticism with the elements of realism. So the term Spoliarium refers to the chamber beneath Roman arenas where the bodies of slain gladiators were dragged and stripped from their armors and garments. So Luna's painting shows dead and dying gladiators being hauled into the dark grim space, highlighting human suffering and brutality. So it is often interpreted as a metaphor for the oppression of Filipinos under the Spanish colonial rule. So although painted in Europe, it became a symbol of Filipino nationalism. So Jose Rizal, the national hero, praised it as a capturing the presence of the Filipino people suffering and awakening. So in terms of visual seeing, um, it has a dark so in terms of setting, it has a dark shadowy chamber beneath Roman Colosseum or the Spoliarium. Main figures, it shows a lifeless, half-naked bodies of gladiators being dragged across the floor. Slaves or attendants are dragging the corpses. For its background, there is a grieving woman on the left, possibly a relative of the dead, and a group of people in the distance watching, some curious, others indifferent. So in terms of the visual context, it shows human suffering and injustice. The dead gladiator symbolizes pain and sacrifices of those who are powerless. For Filipinos, the painting mirrors their own struggle under the Spanish rule, the gladiators as colonized subject. The distant figure watching passively reflect a society that is often blind or uncaring towards suffering of the others. So, and the woman mourning on the left could represent the motherland or the Filipino people grieving but still resilient. So that would be all. Thank you.